Tired of the same neutralize? It's time to make a bold statement. Today we are doing the ultimate full glam blue eyeshadow, perfect for any party or reception. Grab your brushes and let's jump into this dramatic transformation. First up, we are starting with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit. I'm using a brush and applying this all over the lid. This helps to neutralize the darkness. Now with the Maybelline Express Brow Pencil, let's go ahead and fill in the brows. Soft hair-like strokes makes the brow hair look more natural. Make sure you're filling in any sparse areas. And always brush it out. Now with the Rare Beauty Clear Brow Gel, let's apply that and set the brows in place. Your brows will look like this. Now with the Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 7 and with the light brown shade, let's go ahead and apply this on the eyelid. I'm using warmer tones so that it looks more wearable. Build up the color softly. Make sure you're focusing this color into the crease and on the outer corner of the eye. Now going in with the Refer 14 brush and with the dark brown warm shade, let's apply that to the outer corner of the eye. I'm packing on the eyeshadow so that it builds up beautifully. You also want to take the same shadow and apply that into the crease. For hooded eyes, make sure you're applying it slightly above the crease. This eyeshadow is so easy to use, it blends really easily and it is really pigmented as well. You can see how I'm building up the colors slowly. Now with your fluffy brush that we used previously, blend that into the transition shade. Let's go into the dark warm shade again and blend that into the crease. We are defining it out a bit more. Now with the Refer 01 brush, and we're going to be tapping into the black eyeshadow, let's pack that on at the outer corner of the eye. And now back in with the dark brown shade on the previous brush, blend those colors together. We basically want the darker color outside at the outer corner of the eye and then the brown shade in between. You can build on the black even more as much as you like. And now push that into the crease as well. Now we're going in with the Home Beauty 9 brush, which is a flat one, and we're applying the blue eyeshadow. You can use your fingers here, it'll give you more pigment, but it might not be as precise as you'd like it to be. That's why I'm using a brush. Bring it from the inner corner and then go outwards. Now back in with the dark brown shade, let's merge those colors together so that it blends in beautifully. If you'd like me to do any color eyeshadow tutorial, just leave it down in the comments and I will get to it. This is an optional step and I'm using the Question Beauty Gel Primer and applying it for glitter. You can see it's not lifting the previous eyeshadow at all. And now with the blue pigment, I'm going to be applying this on the eyelid. I have listed this product down in the description box. It just adds a beautiful shine onto the eyelid. Now let's go in with the dark brown shade and with a precise brush, apply that to the bottom lash line. We are basically using the same colors that we did on the lid. Now go in with the black and apply that even more closer to the lash line. We're just trying to balance out the eye over here. For eyeliner, I'm using the Epic Ink Liner by NYX and I'm going to be applying this close to the upper lash line. Now for kajal, I'm using the one by Victoria Beckham Beauty and tightlining the upper lash line and also applying it to the waterline. Now go ahead and curl your lashes to get them ready for mascara. Using the L'Oreal Big Deal Mascara, I'm going to be applying that to my lashes today. This mascara really gives you those big long lashes that you really want, especially in such an eyeshadow look, since you want the eyes to look very nice and defined. Apply that to the bottom lashes too. Now let's color correct any darkness underneath the eye, and I'm using the Huda Beauty color corrector in the shade Peach. Make sure to press the product in so that you get good coverage and it neutralizes the darkness as well. Now with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer in 4W, let's clean out the bottom of the eye. I have linked all the products in the description box below. And there you go guys, this is the finished tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. See you guys, have a good one, bye!